Alright, really quick video on how to remove the sun visor clips on these older Hondas. As they age, you know, these things get brittle and break and stuff like that. Or in the case of this one, you can see that thing is super tight. I can barely, look at that, can't even get the thing off, you know. So this thing really wanted to hold. And you can see what happened. It ended up, you know, you start pulling on this thing and you snap this right in half. So this had to be replaced too. Let me show you what these look like in the car. So as you can see, that's what it's going to look like in the car. And you can see this one works perfect now. And then there's a little, you can see, or can you see it? There's a little opening right in the back right there. So what you do is you just take a little pocket screwdriver, put it in the back, and press the tab in. And then you can just turn this 90 degrees and pop it right out. And here, I'll show you again real quick off the vehicle. You can see you're just going to reach in there with a screwdriver just like this and press that tab in. You can see I pressed kind of hard. I broke this. I wasn't worried about it because it was bad. So if you're going to reuse this, don't press too hard, but just press it in a little bit, and then all you got to do is rotate it 90 degrees and it'll pop right out. And then to install it, just the exact opposite. You know, you're going to put it in 90 degrees and then turn it like that. And that's how easy it is to pull these in and out. But if you don't know how to do it, you'll probably damage the headliner. I've seen headliners damaged because people didn't know how to just simply pop these in and out. In any event, that was your quick tip of the day. And as always, if you enjoyed this video or it helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Oh, hey, you guys are still here? Alright. For those of you that stuck around to the end, if you have a newer Accord and you don't see a little slot for a screwdriver back there, most of the times all you have to do is turn those 45 degrees and then it'll pop out. But don't tell anybody I told you.